This is a quick overview of the Max call taking user interface from Zetron. Let's bring in a 911 call. Incoming calls are displayed here in the system call activity, and the call taker can answer selecting from the list or pressing the green button. When the voice call is answered, the call handling view appears with some basic information about the call parsed out and the detailed raw ALI here. In case if it's a next generation 911 call, it will be identified here as a class of service, and that's the area where the ADR information is going to appear. The raw ALI can also be used to create a discrepancy report. For example, here you see the X and Y coordinates, and you can say Z coordinate is missing. This is where it would appear if it was available. And then you can print or save this for the supervisor to make a discrepancy report at the end of the month or of the week. Once you are here on the call handling view, you can put a call on hold, you can transfer or create a conference. When you create a conference, you see all participants of the conference can be internal or external. Let's add an internal participant to the conference. And then here from the list, you can manage which one of the participants you would like to drop. And here you can manage if you're going to exit the conference, return to the initial two-party call, or end the conference. Text to 911 calls come in the same way as voice calls. They're going to be listed on the system call activity and going to ring with a button. And when you answer, it's going to display what we call the chat view for text to 911. And from here, you can answer free text, or you can use pre-canned messages. And so the conversation goes back and forth. Whenever there is a message from the caller that was not answered, there's going to be an indicator here with a timer. And basically, that's the same window that's going to be used for a real-time text as well. Just the letters going to appear one by one instead of the whole message being sent. If the call is answered by another call taker, then you'll be able to see on the screen, and the supervisor with the appropriate permissions can select the call and monitor it silently. Select here just to monitor or to barge into the call. And again, you're going to create a three-party conference where you can take over the call from the original call taker, or just exit the conference and leave them handle the call as normal. The same functionality is available also for text to 911. If the text call is answered by another call taker, you can still go here and then join the chat and participate in the conversation. The caller will not see which call taker is answering, but you can see here internally, you can see which one is handling the call. And then again, you can leave the chat or you can take over. And once the call is finished, you can go to My Call history and see all the calls that you have handled. You can select each one of them and see, for example, the text conversation and text back from here. Or in case of a voice call, you can hear the instant recall recording, or you can call back directly from dialing this number. So this was a very short overview. The system has a lot more features and is very configurable to your specific operational workflow. If you have more questions or would like to see something specific, please contact Zetron. And thank you very much for listening.